When is a lifetime deal not valid for an entire lifetime? For me, it was just last week. I had an AppSumo code nuked. I'll tell you why in this video. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dave from thatlltd.life, where I review software tools with lifetime offers. If you're new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell to get notified when new videos go live. Now, today I want to do something a little different. I want to talk about why my Relay That code, and I had the good one, the one that everyone really wants, the first deal with unlimited workspaces. It got nuked, and I'll tell you why and what you can do to avoid losing the LTDs that you spend your hard-earned money on. So here's what happened to me. Long story short, I saw that Relay That was back on AppSumo. I thought, oh great, I will make a video review. I already have that one. I'm familiar with the interface. It should be fairly easy for me to put together. So I went to log into my account, and I just got a sales page asking me to make a purchase for some workspaces. I logged out, logged back in, same thing. Even went so far as to reset my password as if that would do anything. And then I sent support an email. Now I want to make it perfectly clear here that the folks at Relay That were prompt and courteous with their replies. And after a little bit of back and forth, I was told that AppSumo had marked the code as returned. Now I thought that was really weird because I know I didn't return it. So I logged into AppSumo and tried to find my purchase, and I couldn't. And that's when it dawned on me that I had purchased Relay That from one of those buy and sell groups on Facebook. Now, we all miss LTDs from time to time, and those buy and sell groups seem like a great way to pick up a missed deal or even offload some shelfware that's been collecting dust. I've done that as well. However, what many people don't know is that AppSumo has very strict rules against buying and selling of LTDs, and if they catch you, they can, and as I learned the hard way, they do nuke accounts. So this video isn't to get up on some soapbox and tell you what you should or shouldn't do on Facebook groups. You're all adults. But it is a PSA to let you know that buying third-party LTDs has real risks. And if you get burned as a buyer, there really isn't anything that AppSumo is likely to do to help you. In fact, I know that some lowlifes have even gone so far as to buy codes, resell them, and then return their purchase on AppSumo within the 60 days. That's as slimy as it gets, in my opinion. Now, I know there are countries that have laws where it states that software must be resellable, and other people out there have just moral oppositions to these types of policies. But many more of you simply haven't given any thought or aren't aware of what could go wrong with buying a code from some dude with an anonymous mask on Facebook. So consider this a PSA. I have zero interest in debating the righteousness of this policy. These are the rules that AppSumo lays out for us, and we can either abide by them or deal with the consequences. For me, I learned the hard way. Now, I'm not asking for sympathy. It's not the end of the world. I'll certainly be all right here. But I will not be buying or selling AppSumo codes again. And unless you have a major gambling problem, maybe you shouldn't either. I mean, just wait a week. Everything comes back to AppSumo eventually anyway, right? I mean, have you seen the last 5 or 6 deals? Well, that's all for this video. Feel free to leave a comment below, but let's be respectful. I know this is a hot button topic. Let's not get all worked up about this. I'll see you in the next review.